Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about open close principle. What open close principle says is software entities, that is classes, modules, functions, should be open for extension but closed for modification. So this we will going to understand through some example. So let's take an example which is not following open close principle. I'll show you my code. So this is one of the example where we are seeing user wants to generate the reports and he is not following open close principle here. How? Okay, so we have one report generator class where in the report generator we are explicitly checking whether I need to print web report, then like some if condition is there, again I have some another condition to check for print report, PDF report, and similarly Excel report. So this code is a classic example of open close principle violation. How? So as per our definition, it says the code should be open for extension and close for modification. So now here, take an example. If somebody comes and says, now I need to report in some other format. For example, I need a report in CSV format. So user has to, a developer has to come to this class and write another if else condition to check for if this is a CSV format and make the modification. So just to add a simple change, we have to change the whole class. So this is a violation of open close principle. So now let's go to the good example of open close principle. So while implementing open close principle, it is advisable to use a strategy design pattern. So let me like show you with this example what is strategy design pattern and how we have implemented it in this example. So strategy design pattern says that declare interface and write its implementation classes. So here we have declared a report interface and web report strategy as its implementation class, the print report strategy as its implementation class, PDF report strategy the similar way. Now we have one more class called report generator. So this report generator class, what it will do is, without knowing what kind of report he is getting, he'll simply call this generate method on the given report. So here in our test report generator class, what we have done is we have created a report generator, and in that report generator we have passed the particular strategy based on our requirement. So let's say now here we want to print the web report, then we have passed the web report strategy along with its detail, then print report strategy along with its detail, and by accepting this the the report strategy as an argument, this report generator class will simply generate the report. So the generate method from the respective strategy will get executed and it will generate the desired result. So now take an example. If someone comes and say that now I need to generate a CSV report here. So what you can do is, like what developer can do is, he can simply create another class called CSV report strategy, which implements a report interface and corresponding report generation will be there. And simply you will call that CSV report generation from here. So to add new functionality, we don't have to modify existing code. We are simply creating new classes to extend the functionality of existing application. So this is open close principle. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.